Introhook AI is one of the best AI software tools to be released recently, and in this review, I'm going to share 7 crucial things you need to know about it before you make the decision to dive in. By the end of this video, you'll know whether this is the game-changing AI solution you've been waiting for. Let's start with the basics. Introhook AI is a powerful tool designed to optimize your sales and marketing funnels. Whether you're running a small business or scaling a large enterprise, it has a variety of features that can simplify your outreach, improve conversions, and automate tasks that traditionally take hours of manual work. It's specifically built for those in digital marketing, sales teams, and anyone trying to boost their online presence with minimal effort. Now here's where it gets interesting. This software doesn't just automate, it personalizes. It uses advanced machine learning to tailor messaging for your audience on a one-to-one basis, enhancing engagement with your leads. Unlike other tools where you're just blasting out generic messages, Introhook AI creates unique interactions, increasing your chances of conversions. The beauty of this? It saves you time and effort while making your interactions feel human. No more generic mass emails. One of the biggest selling points of Introhook AI is how intuitive it is to use. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can get started with no prior experience. The interface is user-friendly and designed with non-technical users in mind. It's perfect for small business owners or solo entrepreneurs who might be overwhelmed by the complexity of some other tools. Plus, the learning curve is incredibly short. You can hit the ground running within minutes. Another thing that sets this software apart is its AI-powered optimization. Introhook AI doesn't just collect data. It actively analyzes it to improve your outreach. The AI continually learns from interactions, ensuring that your approach gets better over time. This means that over the course of using it, your campaigns become more targeted and efficient, which ultimately saves you money on ad spend. But here's something that you might not know. Introhook AI allows you to integrate with your existing tools seamlessly. It connects with platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, email systems, and even your CRM. This makes it incredibly versatile, meaning you won't have to switch between multiple platforms to keep things running smoothly. One of the more subtle yet powerful features of Introhook AI is its predictive analytics. It gives you real-time data that can help you adjust your strategy on the fly. By understanding patterns and predicting future trends, you can make smarter decisions about your campaigns. Whether you're A/B testing emails or figuring out the best time to reach out to leads, this predictive tool is a game changer. Lastly, I want to highlight how Introhook AI can save you money. For those who have been using multiple software tools to manage their marketing efforts, this one tool can replace several. That's less software to pay for and less complexity to manage. The ROI on this software is incredibly strong, especially when you consider the time and money saved by automating tasks. Before I wrap up, make sure to check out the link below where you can try Introhook AI for free. I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and this one stands out not just for its innovation, but for its practical application to digital marketing. After trying it out, you'll see firsthand why it's quickly becoming a go-to for marketers looking to automate and optimize their workflows. So, if you're ready to streamline your marketing and take your business to the next level with AI, don't miss out on the recommended software links in the description below. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced marketer, I guarantee you'll find something that suits your needs.